How to recharge Prime Video for 1 month. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can recharge Prime Video for 1 month. Now if you only want to recharge your Prime Video membership for 1 month, then you can simply use a free trial. For that, you need to make sure that you already have an Amazon account, and then on the web address bar type in amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Also log in into your account, and then it's going to direct you to this page. Now right on this page, you'll need to go ahead and tap on start your free 30-day trial. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to provide in a payment method. However, they will be asking you to add a payment method, but you'll not be charged. So enter in your payment method and then add a billing address as well, and click on try Prime located right at the bottom. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you've successfully accessed your Prime Video membership for 1 month. And after 1 month, it's gonna ask you to recharge, and that's basically how you can recharge Prime Video for 1 month. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.